Hi guys, welcome back to the your own channel guys. What we have previously what we have discussed and how the market has been behaved, we can see right now. You can see here guys, AUD CHF. What we have discussed is that if this trend line will break, then you can expect that upside momentum. But what happened? It broke and continuously taking resistance in this candle only. If you have buyed, okay guys, shorted, and your SL will be the at this top. Okay guys, after that you can see that our first target reached, second, third, fourth. Okay guys, if you have booked here also, you have got very nice trade guys. After that also you can see here once again came that buyer are so much dominating, once again came, but you have taken trade or not, it's up till you. After that it came downside. You can see that exactly I have told you, up till here only it became reversible. If you haven't noticed, so you have to notice that it has been reached up till here only and reversing at this candle only. Somewhere here I have buyed, and this green low candle I have kept my SL. You can see that one-sided momentum, all target we have achieved. We have got jackpot in this. We have got so much nice trading. You can check out previous analysis also guys. I have not done any editing. You can check out guys. Okay guys, right now we can see that GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, at this place you can see that this is the, I have told you if it will break out, but you can see here continuously consolidating. Okay guys, after that breakout has been given, but what happened, it is not sustained. Okay guys, after that I am not seen this portion because I am busy somewhere else, so I have not seen frankly. After that it is continuously taking resistance. After somewhere here only I am seeing, so I am kept my eye on this. After that somewhere here only this red candle is forming. So what I have done is that I am somewhere here only my SL I have kept, and this red candle I have shorted. Okay guys, after that you can see that whole 2 days consolidation happened. Okay guys, after that this 1 day or 1.5 day. Okay guys, after that it came, I think my SL will be triggered, but what happened after that only, it comes downside. You can see that first target reached, second target, I will frankly tell you, at second target only I will book my 80 to 70%, but this target I am pretty much sure I will get one is that four target. So I have kept my target to third target, fourth target. After when at this red candle only forming at downside only, but I am exited from at this portion only. After that, because I have told you I am pretty much bearish in fourth target till, so that's why I am taken my target. After that it becoming reversible, but I am not taken any target. After that only you can see that exactly few points only remaining, it became reversible guys. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is euro versus USD guys. Okay guys, I have told you, if this is the one of the major trend line, if it will break, what I have told you, it has to touch here, but it hasn't touched. After that it given us breakout, continuously consolidation happened. Okay guys, this is continuously consolidation is happening. So what I am thinking, that it may be gives us a bigger target but in downside, because here you can see that first time tried buyers, second time tried, third, fourth, this trying, buyer are trying, but seller is so much dominated. So that's why somewhere here only it came and reversible. After that this M pattern type is making. Okay guys, in smaller time frame, but I have not seen that thing. After that only this double top has been made. Okay guys, here I am not seeing that anything. This is the double top has been made. So what I am thinking is that this red candle only, somewhere here only I have shorted this. So I have kept my SL at this red candle only, because I know that if it wanted to work, then it came downside. Otherwise it will be hitted my SL. No worries about it. But you can see that this is came upside. So I am sure after this is green candle, this green candle is crossing, I am sure that it gonna be a downside momentum. After that it came once again downside momentum. I think that it will be goes up till here, second target. But what happened is that it goes upside once again. It came once again this somewhere here. This red candle has been closed, and at this point I am exited. I am full quantity. I have him exited from this trade, because of I am seeing that it made a double bottom. That's why I am exited somewhere here only. Okay guys, somewhere here only at 1.03 700 something. I am at the point at I am exited and got very nice trade in here too, guys. Okay guys, after that the GBP versus US dollar, you can see here I have told you if it will exactly take, but it doesn't take resistance. Okay guys, that is also okay, because here you can see here. Okay guys, this is made on a double top. After that, this red candle is making, I kept my SL at this green at top side and taken this all trade. I wanted to take these all, but what happened, it came downside. Our first target reached, second target reached, third target reached. Okay guys, I am seeing that it will be reached the fourth target, so I am kept like that only. After that, this green candle has been meeting, so I am thinking no, it will be consolidation phase happened, so I will exited at this red candle only, green candle only. I am exited full trade. After that, I am seeing that it is making a double bottom type, so it goes a upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see euro versus GBP, guys. Euro versus GBP, you can see here, this also made an, I have told you that if it will take support, but it doesn't take support, it breaks, goes downside. It means, remember, here is buyer so much dominated, it doesn't have to break. If it break, then here is buyer is not so much strong, that's why it broke. Otherwise, no condition, no any condition, it doesn't break. So it break, I am not interested in this trade, because whole week it consolidation happened, but at this place only I am seen, so I am not interested in bullishness, because this green candle also made it. So somebody tell this is the very bullish candle, you have to buy. I don't buy it. Whole day consolidation, you can see that whole week consolidation. After that, here only a breakout happened, you can see that taken resistance, came down once again, upside momentum has been giving. But I am not taken any trade somewhere here, because I know that the if buyers are so much activated, then they have to activate it here only. They are not activated here, they are activated, so I am not taken any trade. So it has no idea about it, what happened in this. Okay guys, we can see next USD versus Canadian dollar. Somewhere here only I have told you if it will break upside. Okay guys, if it will break downside, it has to break this level. It doesn't break this level, it touches and goes upside momentum. After that, it came once again this at this candle only, somewhere here only it's going upside, so I am buying somewhere here. My SL will be this bottom. After that, consolidation happening here once again came, I think my SL will be hit, but second target only I have booked my 70%, because it has to go, so it has to make a bigger momentum or bigger chart, so it doesn't making, so I have exited somewhere here only. And after that, it continuously consolidate, it also break. You can see that if this is the buyer zone, then it doesn't break, but it broken, that's why I am not taken any trade. After that, it making a big momentum. After then also it came downside, so I have not taken that my trade here only. I have exited my quantity. Okay guys, we can see next USD versus CHF. Okay guys, in USD versus CHF, you can see here I have told you if it will take support, then we can go for upper side momentum. Okay guys, so what happened is that here somewhere at this place only, you can see that this is the green candle. Okay guys, this green candle has been made, so I am thinking that it will be goes upside, so I am taken this trade. Okay guys, my SL will be the at this smaller green candle only. Okay guys, whole day consolidation happened, 2 days, 3 days. After that, it came and taken my SL. Okay guys, after my SL is hit, so I am seeing what happened. So that trigger has been came out, so after that I am seeing that it's making a double bottom. After that only I have taken at somewhere here only at this red candle here somewhere I have taken my trade, and my SL I have kept at this supporting line at bottom. Okay guys, after that you can see that how nicely rally has been came. Our first target has been reached, second target reached, third target reached. After that only it goes on a consolidation phase. After somewhere here only market is closing for a weekly, so I am somewhere here only at this red candle only. I have booked my whole profit and exited from this trade guys. After that, we can see AUD versus US dollar. You can see here what we have discussed is that if it will take resistance, then you can expect that it came downside, or it has to break this. After that, this is broken, this red candle has been formed, so my SL will be this red candle. You can see that our first target reached, second target, third target only, here only you can see that it has been taking reversible and once again came. So reversible I am seeing, so I am not traded in this because I am not bullish in AUD versus US dollar, so I am not taken any trade. After this trade has been over, I am not taken any trade. It goes once again upside momentum somewhere here only. I have told you it may be shorted, so you can see that once again came downside, but I am not taken this trade frankly guys, so I will not tell you what happened or when you have to take. So we can see the NSD versus US dollar. You can see here I have told you exactly that if it will take resistance, then I will go for it. Okay guys, after somewhere here only I am seeing, but I am not got that confidence about it, so I am not taken any trade. After that only somewhere here, so I have kept my that trigger trade. So somewhere here only at the bottom, this resistance area. So after that my SL will be the this supporting area. Okay guys, this much is my SL. You can see that how big is my SL. This is the first trade where I am taken so much big SL. So after that only it goes triggered. After that I am seen at the this candle only, I am seeing okay, my trade has been triggered. After that our first target easily reached, second target also reached, third target also reached. After that consolidation happened. After that one-sided upside movement has been giving, but my trade is over, I am exited. You can see that exactly consolidate and going upside momentum. So our trade is done. So why I have to see it? So I am not seeing anything about it. After that euro versus GBP, you can see that after here only I have told you if it act as a resistance. Okay guys, what happened is that it is taking resistance. So what I have done is that at this red candle only I have bought and I have kept my SL at this top. Okay guys, this resistance, this is the at the top. I am kept my SL, and 2 to 3 days I am telling you guys, I am so much frustrated about this trade because continuously constantly somewhere here also I am thinking that it may be down, break downside, but no. After that also it came upside. I think right now it will gives us breakout and goes upside momentum, so that will be SL will be hit. But then also when this red candle has been made, that time I am thinking that okay, right now it will be good. But after that also here you can see that consolidation happened. After that I am so much frustrated guys. Seriously, I wanted to exit, but I am not exited because I think that if it came downside, okay guys, after it came upside momentum up till here, so I will take my SL and I will exit, not a SL, because of I have trailed my SL. So here I will take small profit and exited. Okay guys, after it continuously after this red candle has been made, I am not seeing, but this red candle I am seeing at open my mobile and seeing so much big trend is coming along. So first target reached, second target reached, third target reached. Within this red candle only 2 target has been reached. After that this target also reached. I am so much happy. After that only I am exited because I am so much frustrated guys, because I don't wanted to say anything right now because I'm so much frustrated. I taken this trade. So whenever I have reached my all target, I am exited. I am not greedy. I am not taken anything. I am just happy that I am taken this trade and exited because I am so much frustrated from this trade. Okay, guys, we can see next. This type market will take see the your patience, how you can behave. Okay, guys. After that. This is all guys, this all trade what I have taken, I have told you guys, this is the best place where you have to take the trades guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you guys.